Hey everyone, this is Forrest, Tractoids. Today I'm going to do a video on something new that I bought. I'm getting ready to go on a trip shortly. So I needed this item because I no longer have a tour. But no matter. I bought this so I can pack things, and it actually holds more than the trunk. So let's look at it. This is what I got. It's made by Nelson-Rigg, and it actually has quite a bit of space here. Let's open this thing up. We can do this with one hand. There we go. That's what it is right there. When fully expanded, this thing will hold about 62 liters of storage. So let's look in. Wow, look at that. That's a lot of storage, folks. Now look at this. This here will separate the storage in the middle here. We actually have to take this open, like so. Open that up, and fold that over. This is actually a lot easier with two hands, and just zip it up like that. And there you go, you have top storage. And down here you have probably about maybe 50 liters of space. You have little side pockets here, side pockets here, and that closes. Fold that open like that. Then you have a cavernous storage in here. This actually came with a rain cover. So, covers the entire thing in the rain. It's supposed to already be pretty waterproof. I mean, look at the sides here. The material seems like a waterproof material. I think this here will hold a, or maybe hold a laptop, but I think this is some kind of solid wall. Looks like it comes out like that. Solid floor. Got another pocket in here. Zips open. Like that. Now here's a feature on the bag that I probably did not expect. Close this up. The front here, there's two areas. We have this little space here, pocket, like so. And this material, they call it, they have a name for it. It's usually tagged on the bag somewhere. Ah, here it is. They call it Ultramax. Dun dun dun. Some kind of heavy duty material. Then you have, I don't know what this is, kind of some kind of vinyl or heavy material. Nice construction. And this here will actually expand the bag to the full 62 liters of space. See, like that. Opens up. Just a little more space there. Okay, and the other surprise is this. Voila. This is the inside of the bag right here. So you have stuff on the bottom that you usually can't get to when you know, in typical bags, you're trying to reach for something from the top. It's a little difficult. Like you say, you have your favorite blue jeans here down at the bottom. Well, you just open this up, push your clothes back like this, and pull it out. That's what I liked about it, because I always have something on the bottom and I can't never get it out. And there we go. Now next I'm going to put it on the back here and show you how it fits on my rack. Okay, well, all I did was just kind of set it up there. Next I'm going to tie it down. Oh, and also it has these side pockets too. They're just like put a phone or chargers or whatever in here. Okay. Yeah, they're kind of small. There's one on each side. Alright, in the back you have two straps back here. Turn this off real quick. Okay, this strap comes off like this, see? And it kind of wraps around the backrest like this. Mine's a little low. You just kind of get it down as high as you can. And that actually is not going to be the only tie down for this. There's little straps here on the side that come with it. Yep. Has these clips. And just put these clips through here. That. And just pop it in there like that. Yep. Helps to have it on the right side. Okay. Let's pop it in and just kind of pull it down. You don't have to tighten it all the way right now. It's actually 4. So you have a front one and you have a back one. I'll do the same thing on this side. kind of long. I think there's a reason for that. There we go. Just pop that in there like that. Pull it down. You can adjust it later. We have another one here. I don't really think there's an order in which you have to do things. I actually should have done this first, because you have to get under the bag to do this. So there is a portion right there. And just kind of pull it through. Like that. Let's see, this is going to be see how easy this is with one hand and the camera in the other? Yeah, this is fun stuff, folks. Okay, now it's on the right. There we go. Pop that in there like that. Pull it down. Sucker ain't going nowhere. Same thing on this side. And just kind of put this through the luggage rack. There we go. See how we got the luggage rack here. Pull it up. Snap it. And clip. Yep. Alright. Just kind of readjust everything. Pretty solid, huh? And for these, you actually just fold it up and kind of put it through these little straps here. Like that. Voila. Same thing for this side. Fold up. This one's actually longer. And just kind of like I said, this is a two-handed job. So, there you go. Same thing to the other ones. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to take it back off and put it away. But I just want to show you guys. Now, if you had taller backrest, this one can be used, or what you can do is improvise and use this one down in here and use this one down on the top here. But this one is too yeah, this one's got too much of an angle here, so or it's rounded off. I don't think it's going to hold, but still you have these straps down in here like so. So Also has a carry handle like that. And what else? It's got a loop here, I think, for additional tie downs. Of course, you have your opening there. I still love that. I don't know why. I just think it's cool. And there you go. It's not really that tall. Not as tall as I thought it was going to be. But it holds a lot of stuff, and I'll be gone for a while, so I need all that space, and the bike can handle it. And believe it or not, I already had to get me a new tire. That's a Bridgestone. Actually, this one I couldn't find in town anywhere a 255/16, but I did find a Bridgestone Excedra. I think it was a 260/16. It's gonna be slightly taller. I could probably get a little more angle out of it, leaning, you know, in the corners, and probably get slower revs per mile. Not that much, maybe, I don't know, 500 to 700 revs per mile slower. Apparently, what I've heard is the police departments use the taller tire on their bikes to correct a speedo issue. So I decided to go ahead and do that instead of waiting another 10 days, which is past my vacation time, to order another tire. And that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you soon. I'll have a video of the Dragon, or wherever we end up after the trip. Bye, guys.